come and have a look at 5 Wooda Cottages. It's down in the Priory area of the town, so stone's throw away from all the facilities that the town has to offer. It's externally, this modern property has a small front garden with astroturf and a trellis fence to give you a bit of privacy. There's parking for 2 cars, there's room for a shed, which the current owners have here, and there's a little bit of space around the back for further storage. Inside, the ground floor is open plan with plenty of room for a family sized table, along with the kitchen as well. And then upstairs you have 3 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms has got a small bed built into it for a child, certainly a single bed size, so perfect family home. If you'd like to view, then give the office a call on 01566 7762 11.